Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. What comes to your mind when I say a simple one-pot comfort food that's quick to make with a delicious medley of rice, spices and vegetables? You're right, it's vegetable pulao. Let's quickly get into the video. To begin with, take 2 cups of basmati rice in a bowl. Add enough water and gently rinse the rice in water. Now drain off the water. Repeat the process twice. Then add enough water and let the rice soak in water for 30 minutes. Next, in a hot pan, take 5 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a star anise, 5 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, an inch-long cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaves. Saute them for few seconds. Add 2 medium-sized onions that's thinly sliced and saute on a high flame for 5 to 7 minutes or until the onion turns golden. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to hasten the cooking process of the onion. You know, it's one of the basic dishes that are made often in the Indian kitchens. The onions are nice and golden. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute on a medium to low flame for another 3 to 5 minutes or until the raw flavor from the ginger garlic paste fades. Now add 5 green chilies that are slit, a cup of carrots that are roughly chopped, a cup of beans that are roughly chopped, and saute this for a minute on a high flame. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Now add a cup of potatoes that are roughly chopped and saute it for another minute. As you can see, the ginger garlic paste is burning at the bottom. Add 2 tablespoons of water and give it a good mix. Now add a cup of cauliflower florets, a cup of fresh green peas, and again saute on a high flame for another minute. Now our vegetables are 3/4 done. Add 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves and 3 tablespoons of mint leaves and give it a good mix. You can try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to know your experiences. You know, this pulao is so aromatic, delicious, healthy and super quick to make. At this stage, add 4 cups of water, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, two teaspoons of coriander powder and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Also check for salt at this stage and give it a good stir. Now drain the water from the soaked rice and add it to the boiling water. Give it a quick and gentle mix. Cover with the lid and cook on a high flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's check. As you can see, the water and the rice are of the same level. Again, cover with the lid and cook the pulao on a low flame for 15 minutes. Again, let's check. Our pulao is cooked to perfection. Do not disturb the rice at this stage. Again, cover with the lid. Put off the flame and let it cool for 10 minutes. Finally, remove the lid and remove the whole spices that's seen on the top. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. You can see how fluffy the rice is. It's cooked perfectly. Do not break the rice, be gentle while handling. Garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves and some toasted cashew nuts. You can serve this healthy and aromatic one-pot meal for lunch or dinner. It'll also make a great lunchbox recipe. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's do the plating. Transfer the pulao to a serving plate. Again, garnish with few finely chopped coriander leaves and some toasted cashew nuts on top. Serve it hot along with some curd raitha and any suitable curry variety of your choice. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious and exciting recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.